Yay, I got it! I'm going to do an unboxing and a review of the GAN 11M Pro Frosted Black version. First of all, sanitizing. Okay, now let's open it. Ooh, this is the pouch which I got. And here is the GAN 11M Pro. There's some stuff inside. Let's check it out. There are two cards and oh, I think that's a bit. So let's keep it aside and go for our GAN 11M Pro. How does it open now? Oh, it has a tape over here. There you go. And voila! Oh, this is a card from GAN. And let's check this out. This is a card. Oh, I don't know what it says. So this is our cube and this is our accessory box. So let's keep everything aside and go for the accessory box first. Okay, so as usual, GAN gave a carrying pouch. Ooh, looks cool. And GAN gave us some spare magnets too. I'll talk about this tool. It is used to loosen or tight the core. These are the spare magnets which we put in the corners, triangular, and these are the hexagonal. So, cool case though. And it includes a mini screwdriver. Oh, it's so cute and tiny. And this is the instruction manual. Oh my god, it's so big. Oh my god. Look at this. It shows the layer by layer method and this is in Chinese. This is the Chinese version of it and this is the layer by layer in English. And now the most awaited part, opening. Ooh, the box is kind of cool though. And here is our GAN 11M Pro. One thing I'd like to tell you all about it, it weighs only 63 grams. It's very light. And the frosted black version has a honeycomb pattern inside it. And the switch-like things are the core magnet adjusting system, which is very unique in it. So its colors are so bright and it turns so smoothly. No lockups. The coolest cube I've ever seen. Oh my god. Its corner cutting system is pretty good too. It can corner cut in 45 degrees. It's an awesome cube and this is the GAN logo. So first of all, I'd like to tell you all about the core magnet system. So it has three options. The first one is the weakest one, number 1. Number 2 is medium and number 3 is very strong. Number 1 will give you very loose magnets, so it won't have much clicky feel of the cube. The second one, which is chosen right now, it gives a pretty much nice clicky feature. And also the third option has very strong magnets, so it will be very clicky. And this is the core magnet system. It comes pre-lubed, so you don't need to lube it from your side. And my first turns was so relaxing. I was like, ooh, that turns awesome. There are 4 versions of this cube. First is this one, frosted black version. The second one is soft, which is also available. And the third one is UV coated one, which gives it a very glossy feel. I have the frosted black version. And the fourth one is the frosted white. So these inner pieces will be white, like these are black, and those will be white. Although it's such a nice cube. Let's try the pouch. Oh wow. The pouch has a very nice fabric. It looks really very durable. And look, it fits inside. So let's remove it. Oh, it got a turn. And there is a freebie pouch that came while ordering. So I have 2 pouches. One was from Cubelelo as a freebie, and one was from GAN. Talking about the box, you have to click on the front and the back logo of GAN, and it opens. And it looks so legendary with the cube inside it. It's like when you open it, you are speechless. And now let me tell you that the magnets inside the corners can be in 2 shapes, as I told you first. That's how it opens. Cool. So these are the hexagonal magnets. I'll remove it like this. They are very tiny. So look at this. It has a hexagonal shape like this, and it has a magnet in it. And the ones which are installed in this cube right now are triangular ones. And this tool is used for adjusting the core. If you remove the center cap, you will see you can adjust the core. I'm not going to adjust it because it feels perfect for me. You can do it as per your feelings. Although it's a very awesome cube. This is the latest cube, a 3x3 cube from GAN. I will highly recommend to buy this cube. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my video and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.